Hello, I'm KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you to download BBC News app. But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to Merch Store. We create cool and original designs for sport fans. We sell shirts, pillows, stickers, and other cool stuff. They can also be the perfect gift for kids, family, or friends who love sports. You can find the link to our store on top of our comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to a video. Like I said, I'll show you to download BBC News app. We're going to start by opening up your Apple Store on your phone. Once you open up your Apple Store on your phone, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Look Apple, you're going to see like the search icon where it says like Apple Store. Tap on that. Then type BBC News right there. Then scroll a little bit down until you find where it says BBC News. On your right, you're going to see like a cloud, and also it has like an arrow pointing down. Just tap on that. Then you're going to start downloading. And that's how you download BBC News app. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.